This video is going to show you how a student might use Notability to complete a note-taking strategy called keyword notes. The first thing, if I were doing it as a teacher, I would have students download a manipulative from my website. They could just as easy draw the manipulative in a blank page in Notability, but for me, I always found it easier for them to download a project file or the file right from my website. So I'm going to hit download and open in Notability, create a new note, hit OK, and then it opens up in my document. So now I have a blank page. As a student, if I'm going to turn this in, I want to make sure that I rename it so that mine sticks out from everyone else's. And you can determine with your students what you want them to name that. And then the student, in keyword notes, the idea is to chunk the article down so that students can read chunks of an article, taking notes chunk by chunk, and then summarizing it at the end. So the student or the teacher will have first chunked out the article into 4 sections. Again, this can either be done by the teacher ahead of time, or the student can do it if the student has practiced doing this a couple of times. Then, as the student reads each section, the student writes 3 to 4 words, or 3 to 4 words in each box that summarize the section. And they keep going through the entire article, writing the 3 to 4 words in each box. Once they are done, the idea is then to use all of the words in these boxes in the summary of the entire article. Here's an example of a student who completed this. You can see that she wrote the title of her article. She has 3 to 4 words that summarize the first section, second section, third section, and fourth section. And then she, at the end, summarizes using all of those words. And that's using keyword note strategy in Notability.